Hello, in this video I'm with the ZTE Blade A72S and I'm going to show you camera tips and tricks. So first of all, let's start from the standard photo mode, and right here when we click on the screen once, we are able to adjust brightness level by moving this icon up and down. As you can see, we can increase or decrease brightness level. To do this automatically, you have to click on the screen once. Next, you are also able to use the volume buttons. They are located on the right side, so you can click once on the volume up and you will take photo after 3 seconds. The same for the volume down. When you click and hold one of this button, as you can see, we can take series of the photos. Next, I can recommend you to click on this icon at the top, where you can change color and the temperature and also add some cool looking filters to your photos. Right now, if you want to get more details on the photos, I will recommend you to use the 50 megapixel mode. So turn it on, catch focus, and then just take photo. Hold your phone steady. As you can see, the photo was taken. It's right now the image processing, so we have to wait a little bit. And thanks to the 50 megapixel mode, we'll get definitely more details on the photos. Just take a look. How close we can zoom in and how many details we can find. So that's very useful to use this mode if you want to get high resolution photos on your phone. I will also recommend you to open the settings, where we can find other options that we can adjust. So for example, we can use the volume keys, but we can also use them as the zoom feature. So take a look right now. When you click and hold volume up, we can smoothly zoom in and zoom out. When you go back to the settings, we can also turn off the camera sound. It's this shutter sound when you take the photo. Here we can turn off or turn on shutter countdown between 3 or 10 seconds. I'm gonna turn it off actually. And we can also add the touch photography. So right now you can just click on the screen once and the photo will be taken. It's useful, for example, when you hold your phone with the one hand and you cannot reach this bottom shutter. For example, you have small hands, so we hold the phone like that, so we can just click on the screen. When you open more modes, we can find, for example, the night mode. So when you are in bad lighting condition, I will recommend you to turn it on, this mode, then just catch focus, take photo and hold your phone steady until the photo will be taken, so you will get a little bit better looking photo. As you can see, it's really good. The quality of the photo is really good. So yeah, that's all for the camera tips and tricks for this device. That's the ZTE Blade A72S. Thank you for watching, hope you like it.